How will the military respond to Trump's martial law declaration? Have you ever wondered how the military would react if martial law were declared? While there has not been an official declaration of martial law by President Trump, the topic is certainly stirring up conversations. Discussions around the Insurrection Act of 1807 have raised questions about the military's potential role in domestic situations. The Insurrection Act allows the president to deploy military forces within the United States to manage civil disturbances or enforce federal law. If this act were invoked, it could lead to a scenario where martial law might be considered. However, it is important to note that martial law is not explicitly mentioned in the act itself. From a Republican perspective, the military's response would depend on the specific circumstances and the legal framework guiding their actions. The United States military operates under the Constitution and the rule of law. This means they would follow lawful orders from the commander-in-chief while also upholding their oath to protect the Constitution. In the event of a martial law declaration, the military would likely focus on maintaining order and enforcing federal authority. This could involve supporting law enforcement agencies to ensure public safety and deter illegal activities. The military's role would be to provide assistance in stabilizing the situation and ensuring that laws are upheld. However, it is essential to understand that any military actions would be subject to legal scrutiny and public oversight. The military is not a political body and must operate within strict legal guidelines. Any actions taken under martial law would need to be justified and proportional to the perceived threat. Ultimately, the military's response would aim to protect national security and maintain public order while respecting constitutional rights and the rule of law. This approach aligns with the Republican emphasis on law and order, national security, and the military's role in defending American interests. In summary, while the military's response to a hypothetical martial law declaration is complex, it would focus on maintaining order and ensuring that actions taken are lawful and justified. Understanding these dynamics can help clarify how the military might operate in such a scenario.